examples of this that'll post along with this lesson. Okay, let's say I want to find I'm going to find all 6 trig ratios for 30 degrees. And I'm going to do it not from looking in my notes or from typing it in the calculator, which doesn't give me an exact value anyway. I'm going to do it with what I remember from the unit circle, and by picking one of those 5 numbers to be each side of the triangle, from 0 to 1, 0, small, medium, large, 1. So I'm going to go ahead and write those down here so I have them to look at. Okay, in that order. So the angle here is 30 degrees. So first I draw a 30-degree angle. That's closer to 0 than to 90. Now I turn it into a triangle. And I look at the sides of my triangle. And what I like to do, because writing these little fractions can get messy, I'm going to shorten them to S for short, M for medium, and L for long when I write the sides on here. 0 and 1 are already short enough. But if you want to, you can call this the min and the max. Okay. So the hypotenuse is 1. I got that. That's always true. Is the x value short or long? That's the horizontal one. Yeah, it's long. And is the y value short or long? How do I know it's not medium? Well, the medium side length only shows up in those 45, 45, 90 triangles. They're somewhere in between. Here we clearly have a shorter and a longer leg. One's short, one's long. So what's the sine of 30? Well, sine is the y value. Which is the y value? It's the short one. And the short y value is 1/2. What about the cosine? Well, cosine is the x value. And the x value is the long one. So it must be the square root of 3 over 2. What about tangent? Well, tangent is the x over the y, which is the short value over the long value, which is 1/2 over the square root of 3 over 2. And then I simplify it like that. Okay, so that's the basic idea. And we'll do some more examples tomorrow because we're about out of time. But this is how easy it can be to do it in your head once you have the picture set up. All right. So again, if you didn't like your quiz grade, come in and retake it and do better. Y'all have a good day.